and Sounds Phase 1 alliteration is easily taught using tongue twisters. Here are some which are perfect to practice early alliteration with your preschool children. Henry Hippo has hiccups.
Henry Hippo has a hiccup.
6 skinny skeletons scare someone.
6 skinny skeletons scare.
Big bunny bounces behind bushes.
Big bunny bounces bushes.
Clever Claire cooks cakes.
Clever Claire cooks cakes.
Shh! Sleepy sloths sleep soundly.
Sleepy sloths sleep soundly.
Dirty dogs dig for dinner.
Dirty dogs dig for dinner.
Greedy goblins gobble gooseberries.
Greedy goblins gooseberries.
Leo loves licking lemon lollies.
Leo loves licking lollies.
Many monkeys make mischief and mess.
Many monkeys make a mess.
Sam saw 7 snails slithering slowly.
Sam saw 7 snails.
So there you have it, some preschool perfect tongue twisters to practice letters and sounds Phase 1 alliteration straight away. And to make these super easy to use, I've created a free preschool tongue twisters cheat sheet to download. It's in the description below, along with the Super Sounds Songbook. And if you haven't downloaded that already, it's full of super simple songs to teach nursery and preschool pre-phonics skills for hours of fun. And if this Letters and Sounds Phase 1 alliteration video has been useful, don't forget to give it a quick thumbs up, subscribe and click the bell to be notified of more videos just like this one. And let us know how you got on. We'd love to hear from you. See you soon!